Okay, so this is a very quick video showing you, hopefully, how to change the clock setting in your Subaru Forester, and probably most of the Subarus as well. We're going to get the car on. And if I plug my phone in, you'll notice this is an aftermarket head unit, which means I get CarPlay, but it will show us that the current time is 13:56. On the car display it says 2:56. We need to move that back. So steering wheel, we've got these settings buttons. We can use the arrows to flip through the screen that is displayed with whatever settings you want. What we're going to do is hold down on the middle button, info button, then we'll use the middle one again to select date, and then date again. You can see it's the 5th of November 2023. I use 24-hour clock, you can switch it to 12-hour, and then we can choose our hour. Move that back, and then set. So now, if we go back and back again, our times match. 1:58, close enough, 1:57. That's it.